You're watching the Ship on Day One Field Guide. I'm Hans. Let's get ship done. You're probably watching this video because you're interested in measuring your team's business intelligence and analytics systems. Now, by this point, your team probably is already using analytics at scale across many or even most of your projects. But as software engineers, you and I know that it's important to measure our systems so that we can figure out what's working well for us and also what's not working well. During this video, I'd like to talk about 3 specific things that you can measure in order to see how well your analytics system is working and also to make sure that it's improving over time. Measurement 1. Look at the percentage of projects with analytics set up on them. This should trend upwards as you implement analytics on more of your team's projects. Optimally, it should hit 100%. Measurement 2. Look at the frequency at which your team looks and views these analytics. This should also trend up as your team becomes accustomed to frequently looking at the data that you're collecting about your projects and your users. Measurement 3. Look at the percent and number of tickets that reference analytics. For example, tickets that reference the latency and that are resolved once that latency gets beneath a certain threshold. This is important because it shows that your team is using the results of the analytics in order to tune and optimize your project. These are just 3 ways that you want to measure your team's business intelligence and analytics systems. And you can probably think of other measurements that are specific to you. But whatever you want to measure, set a goal for yourself. For example, by the end of this sprint, try and measure 2 distinct things about your analytics systems. Be able to put them up in dashboards or report emails sent out to your team. You can use the result of these measurements in order to further tune and optimize your business intelligence and analytics systems. You can find a video on those optimizations as well as many more videos for software developers at shiponday1.com. I'll see you there. Thanks.